Hello tech lovers, welcome you to my channel, and this is Tech with Bumi. On this channel we'll talk about online businesses, if you want to make money, passive income, and so on, digital marketing tips, then this channel is yours. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be doing a promotional video. Okay, a company reached out to me. They're into security cameras, and you want to look into these cameras for your home, and you will need it. So just let's dive in together as I put you through on how to use this security camera. Thank you. So we're going to be unboxing this together because this company reached out to me and sent me this package. At first I was actually doubting it, and I would say this is my first promotional video. Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing, we're going to be unboxing it together, and I'm going to be telling you how to mount it. It's so easy to mount and it's good for your security. You can use it to monitor your house. Every house needs this camera. Every home you need to get this camera. Okay, so now let's unbox it together, and I'm going to be telling us how to go about it. As you can see, this is well packed, and the name of this camera is Reblumm security camera. Okay, and to grab this I'm going to be putting the link in the description box so you can get it. Okay, so let me just remove it and let's see what's inside together. So tech lovers, this is it. I already unboxed it, and this is how the box looks like. And this is a solar battery wireless security camera. Its model is RB3PT1. Through the power supply from the Type-C charging cable, there will be two charging options. One by the solar panel, then two, use the DC 5V and 1A power adapter. Charger is not included in this package. Okay, the charger is not included. So they have very good customer support, and you can use this. For what is included in this box is camera, solar panel, screw pack, stickers, warning stickers, user manual, Type-C charging cable. Okay, so this is so amazing for every home. HD videos, like you can capture high definition image and videos. It has two-word talk, communicate with friends. It also includes micro SD card slot, support up to 128 GB local storage, alarm notification. You get instant alert while you are on the go. Then Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so every house, every home must have this right now, for especially if you have kids, if you want to monitor your pets, if you want to monitor anything in your house and you go to work. Okay, so you need this Reblumm security camera. They are very durable and they are very reliable. Okay, they sent this to me and I'm doing the video. I went to check their reviews, and they are actually one of the best selling products. Okay, to get this, you're going to find the link in the description box, and I'll also pin it in the comment section. Okay, so now let's see what's inside the box. It comes with a sticker and it says 24-hour security from Reblumm. Okay, thank you Reblumm for sending me this product, and it's very handy. And it comes with a manual. This is the manual that it comes with. Okay, everything you need to know how to set it up. It has the QR code to download the app from Play Store. It's available on Apple Store for those of us that are using iPhone, and it's also available on Android. So you can download it and you can see what's happening in your home through your phone. Isn't that amazing? And how to mount it, everything is easy. Just follow these guidelines and you mount it, okay, on the wall. So now I'm going to be, this is the solar. It comes with the solar. So this is an outdoor security. This is an outdoor security solar, okay, camera. So it comes with this. How you are going to mount it with this? It's easy. So you just have to follow the manual. Okay, so you just have to follow the manual, and this is the camera. Okay, and you set it up like this. This is how you're going to mount it, and you just follow the procedure on the manual and you will get it. Okay, and it can roll, it can turn, if it's set up on the wall. And everything you need, all you need to use, this is the screw, how to, I think this is a man's job, right? So you screw it to the wall, easy to screw. Everything you need to, everything you need to screw it on the wall, any direction in your home, you can put it there. You can even, this is summertime and the kids, they're going to be playing outside the most. You can mount it at the back of your house, at the backyard of your house, for those of us that have a very unique backyard. Okay, so this is for you. So do not miss this, and it also comes with a cable. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. We've come to the end of this review. So this is amazing. To get this, there's going to be a link in the description box, so you get yours today. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.